Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Bitcoin, the levels, where is the support, where is the resistance for the coming week in Bitcoin. So we will first start we will first start with the monthly chart in the Bitcoin. What is going on in Bitcoin? What is actually going on in Bitcoin? It's a pretty beautiful chart for a trader, for a technical trader, because if you just notice here, you could just see two topping tails from where it was rejected, and after retesting this level, it went lower, it retested it, it got resistance, and then it just came down. It just did not came down, but it crashed from that area. So it was a beautiful chart for sub traders, for technical traders who have a good knowledge in technicals. Now, what do you think next move can happen in Bitcoin? For me, here is the support level formation on monthly basis. If you could just see here, it has not breached this level. This level has not yet been breached by the Bitcoin, which has been formed on monthly candle. Then we will move on towards the weekly chart. Weekly chart, you could see that the market is consolidating. It's clearly consolidating in weekly charts. This is the consolidation zone which has been formed on weekly chart. Market is just trading in this area. It's not going higher, not going lower, it's not going anywhere right now. It's trying to hold this level, and there is lot of pressure from the higher side. It's clearly been seen. They're stopping tails, these tails, these tails, these tails. There is a lot of pressure in Bitcoin right now. But what next could happen from here? For me, as an intraday trader, I just have a look on its daily chart. For me, daily chart is more important than anything else. Now, once a consolidation zone is formed, this if Bitcoin breaks this for few weeks now, if you just notice here, now Bitcoin is moving between these levels only. It's not going higher, it's not going lower, it's not going anywhere else. So, for on daily chart or for on the daily basis, for me, this could act as a resistance area. I'm just talking about daily chart. You can mark this level as resistance on daily chart for intraday traders, and this is acting as support level for me. Now, I'm not going to do anything in this area. I'm not going to trade in this area because Bitcoin could be very volatile in this area. It could just go long, it could just get short or anything. It might become very vulnerable in this area. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting to see if Bitcoin breaches this area or this area. Now, for this support level, which has been formed from the weekly and monthly chart of Bitcoin, I don't think so. It could be broken so easily. It needs very heavy volume to breach this level. and at the same time the Bitcoin is holding this level. It is not breaking this level. So might be Bitcoin might still trade in this level only for this week, and once this level is been breached, market for the next level for Bitcoin could be this, the next resistance area. The first resistance area, I could say this is the first resistance area. This is the second resistance area, resistance 2 for me, and this resistance area for me has been formed depending upon the daily charts. And once this area, which I could call it as resistance area 3, once this is breached, then that will be the position where many people could just enter for long. Just we will just check it on the higher time frame. Now market is just trading in this area. We are not going to do anything right over here. Once this area is breached, we can just take long because this could act as a very strong support zone for Bitcoin now if it holds this level. And one more thing I could like to show you people is that the second way of looking at this chart is clearly, if you people could just notice this, I would like to show you something. Wait for some. Okay, now just have a look at this area. Just have a look at this area. What what you think it is looking like? It is just looking like a bear flag formation for me. It's a bear flag formation for me. Don't you think? A bear flag formation. Bear flag formation on a bigger time frame, on a weekly time frame. And if we trade according to this, if this level is breached, anything you cannot even think what level could Bitcoin give to us. It's simple, 12,000. So this is my technical knowledge, my personal view. I'm not saying to trade these levels, but it's my general view. It's my educational knowledge, my technical view on what I think about Bitcoin, what technical levels I have found. I've clearly shown you on the I've clearly shown you on live streaming. So it's not that I've just researched it and nothing like that. I've shown you how I have formed, what I think about it. On weekly time frame, it still look bearish to me. On daily time frame, it's not going anywhere. It's consolidating, and these are the level formation where we can trade. This is the resistance level 1, 2, 3, and once this is broken, we could see a big move in Bitcoin. And if this is breached, it could certainly come to this level. There is no support in between. So this is just a view for this week. Depending upon the daily chart, we'll have few more videos, few more educational videos, and I'll give you more knowledge every time I come up with my live streaming. Okay, thank you so much for now. Goodbye.